9 years ago I started this channel, 9 years ago today, 12th of January 2025. And I've just hit 1,000 subscribers, so it's going really well. It's going amazingly well. Thank you to everyone for watching. Thank you for last week's video. That was something else. That was very cathartic to make. What have you got to look forward to this year? Well, you're going to get one video a week, and the video today is not to say that my Lancia Delta is now in the workshop, because you see it isn't, for very good reason. But the race bike's in here. The race bike's currently being stripped. If anyone needs any Gixxer S-Rad spares, let me know. I also bought the channel a birthday present. Last year before it's double figures, isn't it? You see the workshop currently dark. We've got the roller shutter door open, but we got this little box of tricks here. This is called an Ecoflow River 2. This is the smallest one they do. And watch, when I press this button here, all of a sudden, let there be light. So this little box of tricks is powering all the lights in the workshop. With the lights that we've got in here, you get over an hour's worth of power. And this thing just takes an hour to charge up off the mains. This little box will also charge off the 12-volt socket in the car. But I've got a solar panel for it as well. So the big thing for the channel is this. This is what we're manifesting. These two cars have been hanging around for literally years. And I want to turn this little AI generated image into reality, which is why we've been clearing the area in the workshop. We'll take a look back now at some of the videos we've had previously on the Delta, and I'll bring you up to speed. I'm Steve. I'm going to introduce my newest project, a 1988 Lancia Delta HF. Warm it up in there. How hard can it be? It's just like a big airfix kit. I have to give these cans a really good shake. But as soon as all this snow melts, that will be coming down here. Let me show you some of the other things that we've got in the workshop at the moment. So like I say, this is the race bike. It's currently being stripped for spares. That is going. I've also got my little Repsol Grom tucked away in the corner there. It's sat there because obviously we don't want to be riding in this weather. This is the other thing that I've got tucked away. It's my Triumph Speed 4, which hasn't been on the channel yet, but this is my new motorbike. Sadly, again, with the weather, it's stuck where it is for the moment. We'll give it a couple of months and we'll take this out and I'll take you up the road on it. This is the other new car to come to the channel. This is a 2003 Ford StreetKa built by Pininfarina in Italy, and it's absolutely rotten. So this is my wife's Learn to Weld project. You're going to see this car coming together in the background. And the main reason that the Delta didn't come down today, there's absolutely massive amounts of snow in here. Look at that sky though, isn't that beautiful? Not to mention that the car trailer looks like this. So welcome to the channel, new and old. If you've been here for 9 years or you've just been here a few days, thank you for subscribing, and watch next week when we actually get the Delta down here and get started to make that into the car that you see in this AI generated image here. And of course, once that's finished, we'll get on to the next one. Will we get them both done within the next 12 months? Subscribe to find out.